Mindigare Design Company showcases their expertise in compact kitchen design, with this charming example, located at the bottom of the stairs. By optimizing space with an L-shaped layout, incorporating a small island, and utilizing tall cabinetry for vertical storage, this kitchen exemplifies functionality and efficiency. The warm and neutral palette, along with natural accents, adds a touch of warmth and creates a welcoming atmosphere. With its seamless integration into the open space, this compact kitchen becomes a delightful centerpiece, combining style and practicality in a small footprint. Mary Patton Design showcases their expertise in small condo kitchen design, with this light and bright creation. By utilizing an all-white palette with luminous gold-toned accents, the design creates an illusion of a larger space, while exuding elegance and sophistication. The minimalist approach to the countertops and the strategic use of lighting further enhance the perceived spaciousness. This small condo kitchen demonstrates how a thoughtful color scheme and careful attention to detail can transform a compact space into a luminous and inviting culinary haven. The small bungalow kitchen by Mid-City Interiors exemplifies the art of maximizing functionality and style in a limited space. Through the integration of an L-shaped peninsula with built-in storage and cabinetry running up to the ceiling, this kitchen showcases efficient storage solutions while providing a defining feature. The seamless blend of practicality and aesthetic appeal makes this kitchen an inspiration for those seeking to optimize space utilization without compromising on charm. The Stockholm studio from Fantastic Frank showcases an impressive example of efficient and stylish design, with its compact kitchenette tucked beneath the loft bed stairs. By embracing minimalism, optimizing space utilization, and prioritizing streamlined functionality, this kitchenette seamlessly integrates into the overall living space, while providing a practical culinary haven. Such innovative design solutions offer inspiration for those seeking to make the most of limited space in small apartments, proving that even the tiniest of studios can exude both beauty and practicality. Tyler Caro's remodel of this historic Victorian kitchen in Cambridge, Ma, is a testament to the successful restoration of the home's original character and detail. By incorporating timeless materials and thoughtful design choices, Caro has created a space that seamlessly blends historic charm with modern updates. The decorative and practical display of wooden cutting boards adds a unique touch to the kitchen, while the choice of quality materials ensures durability and longevity. This restored Victorian kitchen is a true reflection of Caro's commitment to preserving the character and beauty of historic homes, while incorporating contemporary functionality and style. True Home's renovation of a small, dated kitchen exemplifies the transformative power of thoughtful design choices. Through the use of durable sealed brick floors, sleek black cabinetry, salvaged marble countertops, and strategic lighting, the kitchen was revitalized into a visually captivating and highly functional space. This renovation serves as an inspiration for those seeking to breathe new life into their kitchens, while compensating for any limitations, resulting in a space that reflects both personal style and practicality. Devil Kitchen showcases their expertise in small kitchen design, with this self-contained U-shaped layout. The clever utilization of the three main walls optimizes space and functionality, while the storage solutions and built-in cabinetry ensure efficient organization. The window over the sink brings in an abundance of natural light, and the oversized hood vent and vintage-style pale yellow oven create captivating focal points. This small kitchen exemplifies how thoughtful design choices can transform a compact space into an efficient, charming, and inviting culinary haven. Alvin Wayne demonstrates his expertise in small niche apartment design, with this seamlessly blending kitchen. The use of pale neutral finishes and a consistent aesthetic ensures a harmonious integration with the adjacent living room. The placement of a captivating neon sign at the end of the hallway adds a focal point that distracts the eye and enhances the overall aesthetic, with a focus on visual flow and creating an open and spacious ambience. This small niche kitchen exemplifies the possibilities of cohesive and stylish design in compact urban living space. The compact L-shaped kitchen by Bees Knees Interior Design Studio exemplifies the art of creating an elegant and functional culinary space within a limited footprint. Through thoughtful planning, clever storage solutions, and a palette of soft hues, this kitchen maximizes every inch of space, while maintaining a seamless flow within the larger pass-through area. It beautifully demonstrates that a well-designed kitchen can be the heart of a home, even in the most compact of spaces. Jess Bunge's design for Emily Henderson Design showcases the art of maximizing space and functionality in a small kitchen. Through strategic layout, a cleverly positioned freestanding oven, and a blend of open and closed cabinetry, this kitchen ensures efficiency and practicality. The addition of a convex witch's eye mirror with an ornate gold frame adds visual expansion and intrigue, creating a captivating focal point. With its thoughtful design choices, this small kitchen becomes a charming and inviting space, demonstrating that size does not limit style and functionality.